Hey guys, it's Preston Vanderbilt, and as I mentioned in my previous video in the bullish Amari trading strategy, I'm back to discuss the bearish Amari trading strategy video now. I'm not sure if you guys have time to test out that strategy yet, but I've actually been testing it out recently. I've been just doing paper trades though, but I've been around a 73% success rate. Trades were kind of sketchy. I have a lot of ties, I've noticed that, but either way, I'm still achieving pretty good success. So I'm going to keep on using it, and I'll let you guys know how I keep doing. Anyway, guys, I'm going to take a little bit of time today and discuss the bearish Amari patterns and how we can incorporate them when trading online with binary options or forex. As with any binary option trading strategy, it is absolutely imperative that we have a proper setup before placing any investments. I've started receiving a large amount of emails since I started my own binary options channel about everything that you can imagine related to binary options. Anyway, guys, 9 out of 10 emails concerning the problem with trading strategies are often resolved after fixing a setup issue concerning a trading strategy. Many novice and experienced traders are so anxious just to get started and to use a high success rate trading strategy that they look over the most simplistic step, and that is to have a proper setup. They may have been using the wrong time frame, trading the wrong assets, trading during the wrong hours, or whatever the issue may be. Is always it can always be fixed. And what I'm just preaching to you guys who are listening to this video is just make sure your trading strategies are set up correctly. Otherwise, you won't be able to get the results that you're kind of hoping for. Anyway, guys, back to it. When setting up this trading strategy, we are setting it up just like the bullish Amari trading strategy, but we need to make sure we have access to a trading solution. So we're going to go to the same trading solution. Whatever your trading solution may be, I prefer to use freestockcharts.com just due to the large variety of assets and indicators that they allow us to use for free. Next, we need a reliable asset to invest with. You're going to be using the same type of assets. It's going to be using a low vitality or high volume stock, or preferably a popularized commodity to trade from. Usually, when using this type of trading strategy, I will use just currency pairs. Here are some of the currency pairs would trade are the Euro USD, AUD USD, USD CAD, and USD Chef. Now, other assets and securities that you can maybe try trading with would be Apple, Twitter, Facebook, crude oil, gold, and silver. The next step for our setup is just to make sure that the time frame that we are analyzing our asset is set to a period of 15, and I prefer to use this strategy during market hours, preferably during the New York trading hours. It's not really a strategy meant for intra trading hours, since we're dealing with low vitality currency pairs and high volume stocks, something that is most active during market hours. Let's see, now that we have our proper setup established, we can work on trading bearish Amari patterns. In the first picture, in the picture you can see now, you can see an example of how this trading strategy, unlike the bullish Amari trading strategy, where we need 3 steps in order to place an investment, we only need 1 step to occur. This step is the most important step, obviously, because it's the only step, but it is for our bearish candle to reside completely within the vertical portion of the previous candle. However, this bearish candle must be within the bullish candle completely. This includes a wick, body, it includes everything. Basically meaning that we need a bearish candle to reside completely within the limits of the previous bullish candle. In the pictures below, you can see examples of how all of our investments end up as winners. When placing an investment with this strategy, it is imperative to keep your expiry times within 15 to 30 minutes, so kind of within our time frame. I wouldn't do less than 10 minutes. I'd just stick with the 15 to 30, and any longer than that, then you're probably going to end up out of the money, because this is a quick reversal trading strategy setup. Using bearish Amari patterns when using technical analysis oriented trading strategies is extremely effective. So if you're watching Apple, for example, and you know there's going to be a press release about the new iPhone, let's say 10 coming out, you know the Apple stock is more than likely going to rise. This is going to cause it to become bullish, meaning it's heading in an upward direction, and the cost and value of that stock and security is going up. So having this knowledge on top of using these trading strategy is an example of how you combine a technical and fundamental trading strategy onto one. I highly recommend using this strategy. I would use paper trades or demo account first until you get used to it. Just get used to the signals that I generated, and the time of day is really important when using this trading strategy. Traders of all experience levels can use this trading strategy as well, which makes this great. If you guys have any questions or comments, you can always feel free to contact me through YouTube, whether it be a message, comment, or if you can send me an email at prestonvanderbilt@gmail.com. I usually try to get back to people within 4 to 6 hours. I mean, it usually takes longer, especially if I'm sleeping. Below in the description box, also you will see $100 back, money back, broker signups, along with my top 3 signal services that I am updating on a weekly basis. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.